Hey there, welcome to another Tableau video. We're going to cover heat maps today. Heat maps I've super been getting into lately. I've been seeing a lot of like Tableau books. And what I'm reading at the moment is the Big Book of Dashboards, which is awesome. It's by Steve Wexler, Jeffrey Schaefer, and Andy Cotgreave, right? And it's a book just full of bloody dashboards. It's so many and so insightful, and it's an amazing book. So I'm going through that. I'm seeing a lot of heat maps. I'm also checking out the Makeover Monday website, which is a lot of people coming together all around the world using the same data sets and trying to do something super creative. Heat maps are all over the place. So I'm going to show you exactly how to do it and what it is if you don't know what it is. So I got my Superstore data here, and I'm going to bring in country. Okay, I'm going to bring in country on this side, and I'm going to bring in category and subcategory. Okay, and heat map's really good for kind of seeing any anomalies that pop up, right? So I'm going to do entire view here. I'm going to rotate these labels, okay, just so everything can fit. Let's get rid of this title. Let's get rid of, no, let's keep those, okay? And I want to see where we make the most sales. So if I add this to color, you're going to see it straight away. Now, let's say sales, right? Like, I'm probably not interested in who makes the most. I'm interested in who makes the least, right? Actually, let's change this to profit. Let's go profit. Let's add it to color. And I want to change this to red, black, right? So what happens here is all the ones that are making a lot, I kind of don't want to see them. I just want to see the ones with the really dark spots, which are, it looks like it's all coming from tables, right? Italy and Netherlands seem to be having a lot of issues. Straight away, probably not even 20 seconds, we can already tell, oh, where should we focus our attention on at the moment, right? And then from there, right, let's say I'm interested in this period here from the heat map. This is probably enough to send your idea across to someone. Go, this is the spread of profit, okay? Most likely, if you're in a business situation and you tell your manager, this is where we're making the least profit, their next question is going to be, well, why? All right, this is where the deep dive comes in. So what I tend to do is I'll duplicate this using this button right here, right? And what that does is when it comes to story time, I start with this as the first level of my explanation, right? I go, this is where we're going to start. And then based on this, this is what analysis we're going to do, okay? So I'm going to hide this. We don't need it. And what I'm probably going to do is go table, Italy, Netherlands, and go keep only, right? That's all. Oh, oops. I probably won't do tables. I'll just do Italy and Netherlands, for example, right? I'll go keep only. That's all the data I'm interested in. Then I'm going to break it down. Then you can go again and again, right? You can dig so deep and so quickly. We can already see, if we look at it by category, we can see that chairs is suffering, tables, storage, machines, phones, right? So let's go ahead and again duplicate this and keep only this, right? So we can see again, this is where we're having the most issues. Okay, let's replace this with values. Okay, let's make this square. And now you can see the really, really bad spots. Look at that, right? These two are having a lot of issues. So we can actually put now a rank here. And let's just say anything under, anything less than $1,000. Let's just say, I think that's the way to do it. Nope. Nope. Let's go a bit more. I'm going the wrong way. There we go, right? And you can filter and see, all right, these are the highest items. So let's go to North Brabant and let's go Lazio, and talk about phones. Because if I go back to this first one, if I'm a business, I haven't got enough resources to cover every country. Let's say I have a team of like 5 people. We have to start by solving this one at a time. In Toyota, our the very, very, very top of Toyota globally, right, had this saying where it was like, yes, we sell millions of cars and all that stuff, but we don't sell them at the same time. We sell them one at a time. Okay, so you have to focus on every single transaction, every single interaction as a single transaction. It is not we made 50,000 sales. But no, we sold to 50 individual people with individual interactions. Okay. So when it comes to data like this, it's the same concept where you have to know exactly where to go. Heat maps are great for telling you exactly where to start. Because let's say you solve this, these come off your list. All right. Now we go to the next one. Fix that up, go to the next one. All right, let's check these three. Go to the next one. And you can fix things one at a time. So heat maps, I love them. I hope you enjoyed this video. Use heat maps in your work, and I'll see you next time. Bye.